Warrior huddle. No! This mission is below us!
Sis, I love you like a sis, but I'm gonna have to bring up 2 points. 1, there's an animal that needs our help. Just looking for a monkey, Jack. Look at it. Look at it.
Fix this.
No. Besides, he'll probably pummel us when he's cured, just like he always does.
Okay, which brings me to point B. Monkey Chunks is a Sasquatch. Sasquatch! It's automatically adventure, don't you think?
I cannot argue with that. Also, maybe he'll pummel us like he always does.
We'll do it!
Huzzah!
Okay.
Oh, and dears, please remember that this is a library. So whatever methods you might have for curing this problem, be quiet!
So, who should go first? I could use my brand new decision-making disorder.
I'm going first.
We talked about shoving.
First try!
Mother always said that the best way to get rid of hiccups is with extreme discomfort.
I never told you kids anything like that.
Ready, Monkey Chunks? Still hiccuping? This one goes to 11.